Ollie here from Hurst Yamaha to show you around the new Kawasaki Z900RS. So here she is. Saving £300 off the ticket price. Some of the extras in the bike, it comes with ABS and traction control. It's a beautiful throwback to the original Z900 in the old traditional Kawasaki colours. It actually has a digital face in between these two as well. Beautiful bike. If you'd like any more information on this bike, or you'd like to book a test ride, feel free to get in touch. Real retro charm with modern technology. This beautiful bike only has 1,153 miles on it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like any more info on this or any of the used bikes in our Blue Cross sale event, please feel free to get in touch.